5 ways rich people make money using debt. Have you ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer while the rest of us struggle to make ends meet? Well, here's a little secret. They're not just relying on their salaries and savings to build their wealth. They're using debt as a powerful tool to create even more money. Now I know what you're thinking. Debt is bad, right? We've all been taught to avoid debt like the plague. But what if I told you that debt can be a good thing? In fact, some of the wealthiest people in the world have used debt to build their empires. And in this video, we're going to reveal their secrets. We'll show you 5 ways that rich people make money using debt, and explain how you can use these same strategies to build your own wealth. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how you can use debt to your advantage, and start building the kind of wealth that most people can only dream of. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 5 ways that rich people make money by using debt. Number 1. Real estate investing. Real estate investing is one of the most popular ways that rich people use debt to create wealth. In fact, many of the wealthiest people in the world have made their fortunes in real estate. The key to real estate investing is leverage. By using other people's money, i.e. taking out a mortgage, you're able to maximize your returns and minimize your risk. For example, let's say you find a property that's worth $500,000. And if you have $500,000 in cash, you could buy the property outright and earn a return on your investment. But if you only have $100,000 in cash, you could take out a mortgage for the remaining $400,000 and still earn a return on your investment. By doing this, you're essentially using other people's money to make money for yourself. But here's the catch: you need to know what you're doing. Real estate investing can be complex, so if you're considering it, make sure you do your research and work with a qualified professional. Number 2. Starting a business. Another way that rich people use debt to make money is by starting a business. Now, this might seem counterintuitive, after all. Isn't starting a business risky enough without taking on debt? But here's the thing, starting a business can be expensive, and if you don't have the cash on hand to fund it, taking out a loan might be the only option. The key here is to make sure that you have a solid business plan and a clear path to profitability. If you can demonstrate that your business is a good investment, leaders will be more willing to work with you. Plus, if you're able to use the money you borrowed to grow your business and increase your revenue, you'll be able to pay back the loan and create a sustainable source of income. Number 3. Investing in stocks. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to create wealth over time, but it can also be risky. However, by taking out a margin loan, you could potentially increase your buying power and earn higher returns. Here's how it works. When you buy stocks on margin, you're borrowing money from your broker to purchase more shares than you could with just your own cash. The hope is that the stocks will increase in value and you'll be able to sell them for a profit. Of course, there are risks involved with investing on margin. If the stocks you buy decline in value, you could end up losing more than your initial investment. But if you have a solid understanding of the market and you're willing to take on some risk, using a margin loan could be a powerful tool to create wealth over time. Number 4. Investing in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself, whether that means furthering your education, developing new skills, or starting a business. And sometimes, taking on debt to invest in yourself could be a smart financial move. For example, let's say you want to go back to school to get your MBA. The cost of tuition, fees, and living expenses could easily add up to tens of thousands of dollars. But if you're confident that your degree will lead to a higher salary or better job prospects, taking out a student loan could be a smart investment in your future earning potential. The key here is to be strategic about your investments and make sure you have a clear plan for how you'll pay back any debt that you take on. Number 5. Refinancing high-interest debt. Finally, one of the simplest ways that rich people make money using debt is by refinancing high-interest debt. If you have high-interest debt like credit card debt or personal loans, refinancing that debt with a lower interest loan can save you a significant amount of money in interest payments over time. And if you're able to use that savings to invest in income-generating assets, you can potentially create a virtuous cycle of debt-fueled wealth creation. So, there you have it. 5 ways that the rich make money using debt. Of course, I'm not suggesting you run out and take on a bunch of debt without a plan, but hopefully this video has given you a new perspective on debt and how it can be used as a tool to create wealth. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest content. And as always, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Well, that's a wrap on our video about how rich people make money using debt. We hope that you found this information helpful and eye-opening. Remember, debt can be a powerful tool when used wisely and strategically. By using some of the techniques we discussed in this video, you can start to build your own wealth and achieve your financial goals. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.